if you have a strong ambition and a drive to make each day count. Having a mindset where every day is an opportunity for growth and progress can be highly rewarding. While it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance and allow yourself time for relaxation and rejuvenation, if you're passionate about your ambitions, you can certainly approach each day with enthusiasm and dedication. I have a few ideas to help you make the most of every day. 1. Set clear goals. Define your short-term and long-term goals, and break them down into actionable steps. This will give you a clear direction and purpose each day. 2. Prioritize and schedule. Identify your most important tasks and prioritize them. Create a daily schedule or to-do list to help you stay organized and focused. Allocate specific time slots for different activities and ensure you devote sufficient time to work on your ambitions. 3. Maintain discipline and consistency. Cultivate discipline by sticking to your planned schedule and consistently working towards your goals. Even on days when motivation is low, remind yourself of your ambitions and push through with determination. 4. Continual learning and growth. Seek opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills relevant to your ambitions. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, or seek mentorship. Embrace a growth mindset and consistently seek ways to improve. Surround yourself with inspiration and motivational resources. Follow thought leaders in your field, connect with like-minded individuals, and expose yourself to success stories that fuel your motivation and drive. 6. Embrace challenges. Challenges are inevitable on the path to achieving your ambitions. Rather than seeing them as setbacks, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace resilience, problem-solving skills, and adaptability to overcome obstacles. 7. Take care of yourself. Remember to prioritize self-care. Take breaks, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Nurturing your physical and mental well-being will help you sustain your ambition over the long run. While maintaining a relentless pursuit of your ambitions is admirable, it's crucial to ensure you have a balanced approach to avoid burnout. Find moments to rest, rejuvenate, and spend quality time with loved ones. Remember, success is a journey, and enjoying the process is just as important as achieving the end goal.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please consider hitting the like button. If you found this video impactful, I encourage you to share it with your friends and family. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for your support.